Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to delete message for everyone in Telegram. First of all, open up the Telegram app. Then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the conversation where you want to delete a message for everyone. Now tap and hold that specific message, tap Delete. Now you'll see two different options. Just select Delete for me and the other person's name to delete the message for everyone in Telegram. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.